Hello dear viewer, it's me, Dean Daniels, and I am working on getting a PC so I can turn my characters into 3D and start doing actual, content for all of you and trying to make a storyline for my characters and explain who my characters are, what they live for, yada yada yada, you get it. I also want to start streaming soon, but I do need a VTuber model or a PNG model, which I can probably make myself. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff I plan on doing. And one of the things I want to do is a campaign, and I will pass that over to the animated version of myself. Take it away!
Hello, dear viewer. I have a vision of future peace, and I need you to be there. Yes, you. I see you. Have you ever wanted to connect people through common goods and interests? Well, look no further than the Connector Campaign. We have many different roles you can acquire here, such as Canvassaries, our diligent and artistic connectors who connect people through visuals when words aren't enough. Or you could be a Hearticulator, our emotionally involved and therapeutic connectors who bring people together through emotion and try to understand and appreciate how people feel. There are Page Turners, those bookworm connectors who tell stories that connect people with other scriptures. Speaking of scriptures, Soul Bridges connect people through faith and inner peace. There are plenty of other roles, a little over 20, so hop on down to the Discord server in the description to join the campaign. And for those of you uninterested, there's also our Clubhouse. Both links to both servers will be in the description. Oh, looks like that's all the time I have. I wish I could read the rest of the rules and interesting things that are happening, but you get into the servers in the description below if you'd like to check it out, and I will talk to you next time. Thank you for the big 2 triple O, and I'll talk to you next time. See ya!